So, after the realtor hands you the keys of your beautiful new home, then what? Within a day or two, you should expect a visit from her or him. Or at least a phone call. Hey Dan, how are you? How's the new house? You have any food? Are you hungry? Okay.
Awesome. Ciao, Carlo.
This is the first meal of the house, right Dan?
Yes.
Remember, al dente, okay?
To the tooth.
The magic moment.
Would you say this is where the magic happens?
Oh yeah. You cannot have pasta without Parmigiano Reggiano. Remember, good quality, 24 months aged at least. You see it?
Oh yeah.
My God.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Are you ready, Dan?
Yeah, I'm absolutely ready.
Let's plate it. We're forgetting something. Just a little snowfall. Just like that. Then, we're ready to go to the table.
Wait, what table?
What do you mean? You don't have a table?
Dude.
Don't worry about it.
Should we go outside?
No, I think there's enough room. We can make this happen.
That way. Congratulations, Dan!
Cheers.